Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to set up your EUFY S350 indoor cam. So the first thing we're gonna do is download the EUFY app and then create an account, and then we're going to open up our app and click on Add Device, and we're going to select the wired camera and indoor cam S350, so it should be on the top right here. Then it's going to ask you to select a home, so if you have more than one home enabled, you're going to select which one this camera is going to be in. And then it's going to ask you to either connect to a home base or connect to a router. So basically what a home base is a station that allows you to connect multiple devices, but if you don't have that, you can just connect to a router. And it's going to ask you to plug the device in using the USB-C cable that came with the camera, and you're going to do it like this, so the socket is right under the camera. There you go, it's connected, and the light should be flashing, or the light should be on in some sort of way to indicate that the camera is on. And now I'm going to click on next. The camera is staying out there for a second. I'm going to wait for it to finish. So there you go, once it's finished, I'm going to grab the camera, and on the back you should have this QR code that you're going to have to scan. I'm going to do that. So there you go. Once you've scanned the QR code, it's going to ask you to grab the camera and click on the sync button. So the synchronize button should be on the bottom of the camera, and you need to hold it for 2 seconds until you hear a beep. So something like this. And once you've heard the beep, you can click on the button that says heard a beep, and it's going to start connecting your camera via Bluetooth. There you go. Now the next thing we're going to do is connect our camera to a Wi-Fi network. So good to do that.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait.
So there you go. Now the camera is connected to the Wi-Fi network.
Successful.
And now it's going to ask you to assign the camera to some sort of room. So you can either select kids room, living room, all of these different rooms, or you can customize it and create your own room. I'm going to do that. I'm going to click on next. And here we have the notification options. So these are the types of notifications you're going to receive from the camera to your phone. For example, when the camera catches something. So there are 3 options. So the most efficient, which basically you immediately receive a notification but only text is included. The full effect option, which basically you receive the notification, the text notification without any delay, but you will also receive the thumbnail a little later. Or there's the include thumbnail option, which basically sends the text and the thumbnail at the same time, but it's going to take a little while. There's going to be a little delay. So you can select whatever option you'd like to, and click on next. Now it's going to ask you to select the audio settings. So you can enable or disable the microphone features. You can enable or disable audio recording, and once you're done, you can click on next. And here it's going to ask you to either connect an SD card, enable cloud backup, or just skip. You can set up a SD card by just opening up this hatch under the camera and sticking the SD card right here, and it should be about it. And I'm just going to skip it for now. So now it's going to ask you where you want to mount your camera. Let's click on table or shelf. It's going to ask you what type of movement you want to monitor, or what type of features. So you can either select baby, children, pet, or you can select strangers and all other motion. Yeah, I'm going to click on next now. And now it's going to guide you through the tutorial to choose a perfect spot. I'm going to skip that real quickly. And once you're done with the installation of the camera, you'll click on Finish. And it should display the camera right here. So if you like the way the camera looks, you can click on Next. And it's going to ask you if you want to enable AI tracking. So basically what AI tracking does is if it detects a person in its field of view, it's going to follow the movement of the person using the 360 feature of the camera. So I can enable that and click on Next. So as you can see, it's calibrating. I'm going to give it a second to calibrate. And there we go. And now you can select the default position for the camera. So there are a few positions that you can set by turning the camera using the arrows and then clicking on Set. And once you're done, you can click on Next. And that's about it. Here's your camera set up, and you can enter inside of it and look and use the camera. So by either using the controls or the AI tracking. And that's about it. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.